Hi, welcome back to Oddball Acres. On this episode, I remodel my Jeep with force. Among other things. I'm just gonna throw these apples as hard as I can at this Jeep Liberty.
Now when you're doing a quick seat removal like this, it is paramount that you wrap the chains around some secure places.
Hey! Hi guys, I'm trying to install a toilet and this seat's in my way. Here we go! It fits! I knew it would! Alright, so all we gotta do to get this thing fully functional is punch a hole in the floor. See, what I'm going for is on those mornings when you've had a little bit too much coffee and you get stuck in traffic and you know it's gonna happen, you're already on the throne. You just, wiggle down your britches and go. Who cares about the car behind you? Now we just gotta punch a hole in the floor. There, I got a hole. Perfect. So, to get this system going for your first flush, you're gonna want to fill up you're gonna want to clear any debris out of the back of the toilet, fill up the tank and the bowl, and if you're on the go, you're gonna want to keep a 5-gallon pail with you, maybe a submersible pump for filling up down by rivers, and you just plug it into your generator, of course, or your cigarette lighter. Get that bowl too for the first flush, you want to get a good base in there.
Now let me take you in for a close-up on this incredible creation of mine. It works! It works! Yes!
Easier to change the headlights. Well, it finally came out of the window. Now, on this extraction, it's going to be probably a little bit more violent than the winch, which you guys barely frickin' seen because I accidentally deleted the footage. But this should be a little bit more violent because I'm going to rip it out with the F-150. And we got a little passenger to go along for the ride.
Wow!
Now I finally made room for the his and hers crappers I always wanted.
Beep beep!
No more waiting your turn. And it's portable. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Come back next time for more. See you later! Worth it.